Hey Team Blossom, it's Blossom and Jasmine, and welcome back to yet another one of my tutorials. Those of you who know me know that I for sure wear contacts. So I thought, why not bling this contact case? I've seen it a few times done, and I decided to use my Swarovski crystals. So those of you who are my subscribers, I just want to always say thank you, thank you, thank you. Literally every day my numbers go up. And for those of you who aren't a subscriber, I definitely want to encourage you to join Blossoming Jasmine, which is me. And I create tutorials pretty much I would say on a monthly basis, but you're going to get some type of content from me on a weekly basis. So thank you for watching this video. Shout outs to everyone that is going to Rhinestones Unlimited and using my promo code Blossom. I see the numbers, I see the purchases, I see the visits, and I just wanted to say thank you for your love. All right, so for anyone who wants to create this look, I definitely want to encourage you to get your favorite contact case. I'm using E6000 as my glue of choice, and what you're going to do is you're going to need some Swarovski crystals. I buy my Swarovski crystals from two different places. And even though it was a habit of mine to only buy from one place, I find that if a stone is sold out in one wholesaler, I can always go to the other wholesaler and purchase my crystals. So the two companies I use are Harmon's Components, and I also use Rhinestones Unlimited. And when one doesn't offer another in a certain quantity or color, I can always find it at the other wholesaler. And their prices are comparable, but even if one price is higher than the other, they do match the cost. So if you see it cheaper at Harmon's, Rhinestones Unlimited will match the cost. And if you see it cheaper at Rhinestones Unlimited and you're buying from Harmon's, they'll match the cost. So for those of you who want a special discount, you can go to Rhinestones Unlimited. And before you make your purchase, you want to use the promo code Blossom. Now, I have tons of Swarovski items. This particular contact case, I'm using the Delights. So actually, where is the package? This color is the Delight, and I also use Cobalt Blue, which is also a Swarovski color. And then I just use the color Crystal, which is, it looks like a diamond, but that's the color in Swarovski. So we just call it Crystal. So those are the three colors that I use. And this project took me about 25 minutes, but I finally got it done. I only recommend, if you're going to make this project, to only do rhinestones around one of the sides of the cases. Otherwise, the case won't turn, or I would say close. So you want to be very particular about that. I like the big body Swarovski stones, so I wanted to give you the look, because people always ask me, should I use a larger stone? Should I use a smaller stone? It's really up to your own discretion. You don't need me to think for you or to really choose what you want. I'm sure you already know what you want and how you like your items and what really is more attractive to you. The blue stones, which are the Delights, those are SS12s. If you don't know anything I'm talking about, I encourage you to take my online class. And I want to create a class for this. I have an online school called Blossom University, and I'll leave the link below. But you can take this as a free online class. I offer paid classes because there is just a high demand for classes. So I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video, and enjoy. With love always, Blossom and Jasmine.